be?
Twilight.
Who is that?
Edward.
And who is he? What did you just tell Mommy who he is? He's your best what?
Guy.
He's your best what?
He's my best guy.
Bad boy right there? Do you love Edward?
Yeah, because Edward is careful.
Who's that?
He turns into a werewolf, but I don't know. Jacob.
Is he in love with Bella?
Yeah.
Do you like Jacob too?
Yeah. Jacob, because I love Jacob, because when Edward goes away from Bella, then Jacob saves like Bella.
How does he save Bella?
I don't know.